Meantime, President Biden is going to be meeting with President Xi in San Francisco. That's going to happen on Wednesday. Eunice Yoon's in Beijing right now, and I want to get a sense from her of what we can expect at that meeting. Eunice.
Thanks, Andrew. Well, this will be their first meeting in a year, and there's obviously no shortage of issues that are going to be on the table. The Biden administration has expressed that communication is key. The White House National Security Advisor Jake Sullivan had said that President Biden would seek to reestablish communication, especially when it comes to military exchanges. The other big issue, of course, is going to be help with Russia as well as Iran in the conflicts in Ukraine as well as the Mideast. That was also articulated by the Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen, who had met with one of her Chinese counterparts, talking about how she had hoped that Chinese companies would not be assisting Russia in its efforts in Ukraine. Another big point that the Biden administration is expected to bring up is the enforcement by the Chinese on exports of fentanyl ingredients to the United States. Now, for the Chinese, a lot of it is with the backdrop of a slowing economy, that President Xi would be walking into the room after his vice premier had already expressed to Janet Yellen the desire by the Chinese for an easing on export controls, sanctions, as well as tariffs. There is an expectation that there could be a push by the Chinese for an expanded dialogue on AI, though skeptics here have said that this also might be a way for the Chinese to delay U.S. restrictions. And then finally, the Chinese have been expressing that they want some reassurances on Taiwan. Now, one other point that's interesting from the Chinese is that President Xi is going to be headlining a dinner in the San Francisco area with U.S. CEOs. It's $2,000 a head, but if you pay that, then you'll be able to see President Xi in person. And one of the messages that this sends, guys, is that President Xi really wants to drum up confidence among foreign investors in China. Big question, though, as to whether or not he'd be able to do that without any meaningful change in policy here.